Hi everybody! Today we are going to learn how to switch Chrome to enhanced safe browsing to block malware downloads. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Look at the top right corner and tap on the three vertical dots icon to open the main menu panel. Scroll down through the drop-down menu list and tap directly on Settings. Inside the Settings panel layout, scroll down to the Basics section and tap explicitly on Privacy and Security. Look through the Security Options display list and tap on the option labeled Safe Browsing. By default, your browser is likely set to Standard Protection, which only updates its malicious database list every few minutes. Tap the button next to Enhanced Protection at the top of the interface layout to upgrade your security framework. The browser framework will instantly apply the active defense layer, sharing real-time threat intelligence data with Google infrastructure to predict and block dangerous downloads, extensions, and web pages before they load. This proactive shield continuously scans for deceptive phishing loops and sneaky background malware delivery setups, keeping your device safe from emerging web exploits. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.